Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public.
Hello everyone. Today we have with us Andres Castellanos Gomez, who is a tenured scientist at the Spanish National Research Council in Madrid, in Spain. Hi Andres, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Excited to learn about your research. So let's start with understanding your research. So could you explain your work to us in super simple words, please?
Yeah, so I basically isolate and characterize new materials. And the materials I'm focused on are two-dimensional materials, and they are materials that they have like one or few atoms in thickness. And we try to apply these materials for optoelectronic devices mainly.
Okay. To these fancy two-dimensional materials, like which kind of materials do you work with, or do you have like a huge range?
We have a huge catalog nowadays, but we are mostly interested in semiconducting two-dimensional materials. So, like for instance, molybdenum disulfide is one of the ones we study the most. Black phosphorus as well, and many other layered semiconducting materials, basically.
Okay. Sounds cool. So there is, I'm sure there is a lot you're going to speak about when you will take over the Twitter account. So what can the followers expect in the week that you will take over the Real Scientist Nano account?
Well, I will explain a little bit my career path. So how basically I started in science and how I ended up in the position I am. I would like to also show a little bit of the, let's say, the daily work of a scientist, because a lot of people ask me like, what do you do, right? So and yeah, I mean the daily day, it's important to show it, right, as well. And I don't know, also pictures of the labs and the ongoing projects that we have nowadays. Yeah, basically those kind of things.
So everything about a scientist's life, you would talk about the science, your daily life, your lab, and everything.
A little bit about everything, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, super. That sounds amazing. Looking forward to having you on Real Scientist Nano. Thank you very much for speaking with me.
Thank you.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website, realscientistsnano.org, and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.